Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm just going to be doing a quick comparison between the Proscenic i10 and the Proscenic P11 smart cordless vacuums. These two vacuums were sent to me by Proscenic, and if you have been following the channel you will know that we have been partnering up to bring you this amazing range of products from Proscenic, and today we're just going to be comparing these two products from this amazing brand. And this will just help you make up your mind, and this is just my opinion on both products. And yeah, let's get into today's video. So if you've missed the unboxing of either one of these vacuums, do not despair. I will be leaving the link to them in the description box, as well as the link to the product on Amazon and my promo code where you can be able to shop for either one of these products, as well as all other ranges and all other products from Proscenic on their website using my discount code. And this just qualifies you for amazing discounts when you purchase from Proscenic. All right, so that being said, let us get into today's review. All right, so I'm starting off with the i10, and this is the first video that we collaborated on. Now, this product is good on its own, and I love the fact that it can do a lot, even on its lowest setting. I also love the fact that it is easy to assemble. It comes with an easy to follow manual, and all the parts just snip together, and in no time, your device is set up and ready to use. I've shown you how this device picked up grains of rice, which was in just one sweep, and this is an amazing device to use. Honestly, I have really nothing bad to say about this device. It is good on its own. However, the only takeaway that I have for this particular i10 is that the battery does not last as long as I would have loved it to last. I noticed that anytime I charge and use this particular vacuum, the battery lasts for a little less than an hour, and it can be quite frustrating, especially if you have a large home. But yeah, that's my only takeaway from this particular device. Now, on the other hand, the P11 comes with a little more advantage in terms of extra tools that it comes with, like the mini motorized tool and the cleaning tool, and this just adds a lot more value to the P11. It comes with this easy to clean tool that can get into all the nooks and crannies and just help you clean up. And I also like the fact that the battery of the P11 charges a lot faster, and the suction power is a whole lot more. I also showed you how you use this particular vacuum to pick up semolina granules as well as flour granules, and it does the work amazingly. This is something that I wish that everyone can jump on and just get this tool, get this device, and keep your homes clean with Proscenic. Another obvious advantage that the P11 has is the fact that it is a smart device, and it uses this amazing app that you can use to monitor your device, as well as to see latest tools and gadgets, appliances from Proscenic as well. But yeah, that is my honest opinion on both vacuums. They have amazing qualities on their own, but my absolute best will have to be the P11 Smart cordless vacuum, and that is for obvious reasons. You guys click on the link in the description box and search for that device that you want. They have other tools and amazing gadgets on their app as well. Things like air fryers and robotic vacuum cleaners as well. And the best part of it all for this particular brand is that the price is really affordable. They give you really good quality for the money that you're spending. All right guys, so that is it. That is my unbiased opinion of this product. Not to put one over the other, but this is just what I feel. Based on what I personally like, I would go for the P11 Smart vacuum because, number one, it's new generation. It's the rave right now, and it has amazing functionalities. It comes with a lot more accessories, and Also, you can monitor the use of your vacuum even on your smartphone, and comes in handy for someone like me who's starting to train my child in doing chores. I want to see how long he has been vacuuming for, and it's a good way to really just test and monitor the functionalities. I love the fact that on the app you can also see the use of your vacuum and just monitor and know when it has been used over time. Also, you get to see latest products on the app as well. So it's just a great product, and I would just like to say thank you again to Proscenic for reaching out for this amazing collaboration. You guys go out there, use my promo code, it will be in the description box below, and purchase your own product, and let's keep our homes clean and work smart with Proscenic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.